everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would be showing y'all downloading and installation of BurpSuite Community Edition on macOS. So before we begin, navigate to BurpSuite install. You can see the first link, click on installation. So I would be clicking on the main page of Ports Figure. In this particular website, navigate to products. So over here you can see 4 editions listed. So we are mainly concerned with BurpSuite Community Edition. So let's click on that. You can either enter your email to download and click on download, or as I have not logged in, I can go straight to downloads. So over here there are 2 types of installation. One is BurpSuite Professional version, for which you would require a license, and the other is a BurpSuite Community Edition. So I will click on this, and over here it's macOS Intel. Click on that and click on download. I have already downloaded BurpSuite Community Edition because it's a bit time consuming. So let's click on it. So over here, drag and drop it into applications. And click on it. Yep, I would want to install it. So as you can see, navigate to next and start Burp. As you can see, this is the BurpSuite Community Edition which has been successfully installed on my system. Navigate to proxy. We can also view the proxy settings. So 127.0.0.1 on port 8080. And close this. Now we can open browser. Over here, we can type anything. Say Google, and we can intercept the traffic. So you can see host www.google.com. So that's it from my side.